After months of cancelled plans, missed trips, and COVID ruining just about everything, we finally have some good news. Borders are starting to reopen and interstate travel is back on. But before you rush to book a trip over state lines, I want you to take a couple of minutes to think about travel insurance. I know most of us only think about travel insurance when we're going overseas, but it's actually super useful to have on domestic trips too. You'll be covered if you have to cancel due to sickness or injury, if your stuff is lost, damaged or stolen, and if you accidentally damage someone's property. Now, it might seem like an unnecessary expense, but accommodation for a week-long holiday can easily cost several hundred or several $1,000s. If you had to cancel because you'd fallen ill or seriously injured yourself the week before your holiday, all of that money might be gone forever. Travel insurance can make sure that doesn't happen, and it's probably a lot cheaper than you think. In Australia, a 30-year-old traveller can expect to pay as little as $35 to get domestic travel insurance for a week. Another big benefit, and this one often goes overlooked, is cover for hire car excesses. If you're going to be renting a car while you're away, I can't stress how valuable travel insurance can be. That's because the excess on hire cars can easily be several $1,000s. That's money that you would have to pay if you got into an accident and the car needed repairs. But heaps of domestic travel insurance policies come with cover for rental car excesses included, so you won't be left with a huge bill if that does happen. Now, I know I've stood here and spruiked the benefits of domestic travel insurance, and I really do believe it's one of the best investments anyone can make if they're going on holiday. But there are a couple of things to watch out for. The biggest one is definitely COVID related. Insurers won't pay out any claims that are related to coronavirus. So if the borders close again, you won't be able to claim money back for your lost flights or your accommodation. Aside from that, you could also run into issues if your claim is related to being drunk or on drugs, and you probably won't be covered if you acted recklessly or illegally. Claims are also likely to be rejected if you cancelled your trip without good reason. So that could be a doctor's note or, God forbid, a death in the immediate family. As always, be sure to check your insurance documents for the full list of what is and isn't included. Even with all of that, we definitely think it is worth the money. A policy which costs as little as $35 could easily save you thousands of dollars, not to mention a lot of heartache. If you want to learn more about domestic travel insurance and how it could help you, check out the link in the description. If you want more handy money hacks like this, subscribe to our channel.